Hey guys, Brian Bailey here with iMobile Innovations. Just want to take a couple of minutes this morning to share with you how you can share your iMobile Innovations capture page using your social media sites, mainly Facebook. You may have run into some limitations with Facebook while sharing your capture page URL in terms of it being blocked. Facebook doesn't really take kindly to us sharing business postings or business URLs in our personal sites. And so it does have some limitations there. However, there are some workarounds, and I want to share with you one that's very easy for you to do. First things first, we're going to take you out to a couple of different external websites that we're going to need to use their services. The first one is called socialmediabar.com. Socialmediabar.com. Once you get to the page, you'll notice there is a tutorial video, very informative on how to use the system, but there's just a few simple steps, and I'm going to show you those right now. First thing is we're going to give our URL slug a name. You can put any name there. For this one, I'm going to call it iMobile Promo 1. That will be the name that I give to it. The destination URL is where we're going to point that particular link that we're going to post in our Facebook posting, where we're going to send it to. And that's going to be your capture page. So I'm going to put in imobileinnovations.com/Bailey. Let's say that were my capture page that I wanted to share and point all my links to. The page title, I'm going to give it a page title of iMobile Promo Video. That's a good title for it. And then the page description, if you can write anything you would like there, be informative, but I like to go and just use what's on the website. Just go and you can copy this first paragraph in these bullet points, and you can cut and paste that right into the page description, and that will it will certainly allow us to have a good solid description for everybody. In fact, let me go back and do that. I'm going to copy this, show you how simple this is, and I'm just going to paste it right here. Now, image URL. This is the photograph that actually goes with the posting. What we're going to do now is take you to a website called tinypic.com. TinyPic allows us to reduce the size and scope of the images that we post on our social media sites. So you'll click on the File button. You can browse for, and I'm going to take it to my iMobile, one of my iMobile pics here. And I'm going to click on that, and what it's going to do is it's going to then convert that once I click the Upload Now. Keep it on image, and then it's going to ask me to give a particular code. So what I've got to do is I've got to click here to reveal a code, and once it gives me the code, I'm just going to enter what that code is. And once I put this in, this just eliminates any bots or spamming, any kind of bots that are out there that are trying to attack their sites. They're just protecting their own intellectual property here. Notice here, it gives us 4 different ways to share this. I'm going to ask you to go to the bottom, which is called Direct Link for Layouts, and you're going to copy that particular link and then go back to your social media bar site, and we will just paste that image URL right there into that spot. Now that we've got everything here, we've got our URL slug, we've got our destination URL, we've got our iMobile promo video, we've got our page description there, and we've got our image URL. We're going to now create the link. This link, it takes about 10 seconds or so for the link to be generated, so be patient with it as it's processing. Once we get the link, as you see here, my URL that I can share is socialmediabar.com/iMobilePromo1. To be able to copy that link, all I need to do is go down in this box, highlight it, and click Copy. I now have a link that I can share in my Facebook post that will actually react properly with Facebook. For those of you that want to hide that URL, you can then go to a site called Bitly, and Bitly just allows us to shorten our URLs, and you can put in that URL right here to your Bitly page. Easier said than done, as you see. And then once I place it in my in the Bitly bar there, I can then shorten it. Okay, it does it automatically for you, and there's my shortened URL. Okay, it doesn't say anything about social media bar, etc. So then I'm going to copy that, and now I'm going to go over to my Facebook site. Now, when I get to Facebook, I can then make a post. If you'll notice, all I did was copy that Bitly URL. Now I'm just going to paste it, and watch how nice this looks. It'll take just a minute, and it'll pop up. It'll bring up your image. It'll bring up everything we did in social media bar, and now it's ready to post. If you'll notice, I've already done 2 previous posts the same way, and everything is working fine. And so I think you're going to get a lot of use out of this, but also you're going to be able to attract a lot of new partners, a lot of new interest to your iMobile Innovations business. So good luck, guys. God bless, and we'll see you in our next session. Take care.